Hey, welcome to the channel. One of the common questions I receive is how do we run large language models locally? Especially with the recent release of Llama 3, there's a high demand of running those open source models locally. So I just wanted to create this quick video to showcase you how to do that very simply. Let's get started. So first thing I do is have LM Studio. So LM Studio is a very neat app that allows you to easily download and run local LLMs. It manages all the UI for you. So go ahead and get this downloaded. You can go to LM Studio, the first website. After this download is done, you will be greeted with a page similar to this. And LM Studio has the recent Llama 3 models, so choose one that fits your services. So all you have to do is essentially look for the model and download it. One important thing here is quantization. Quantization in machine learning models is essentially a way to reduce the size while trying to preserve as much strength of the model as possible. So it will definitely reduce the precision of the model, but the more quantization you do, the smaller the size will be. And for example, this is a 70 billion instruct. Most people's computers would probably get the 8 billion Llama 3. So you can download these models. And as a side note, the higher the size, more likely the quality will be improved, but the quantization should try to preserve as much as the model's performance as possible. So once you have installed the model you would like, click download. It will take a while for it to download, but once it's done, you can start your local HTTP interface server. The inference server essentially allows you to call the model locally. So LM Studio has a very easy way to create this open server. All you have to do is essentially click Start Server, and you can probably use the default settings. They work best on most computers. And once you have your server started, it does give you your code to start with, but let's just go over it and understand it. So I just have a VS Code page open. In this VS Code window, all you do is create a new file. And one of the first things we should do is we can use the standard OpenAI import. So from OpenAI, we will import the OpenAI library. Make sure you have the OpenAI library installed. Next, we would need to create a point to the local server. So our client is our local server. So we can essentially call the OpenAI and create a point. So our base URL in this case is given to us in our local LM Studio server. So in this case for me, it is http://localhost, and it's actually 1235 for me. Your port might be 1234, something else, and then we can have v1. And then the API key is not really needed in this case, so it can be anything for test. I'll just have not needed. And that is our client. The next thing we have to do is create the completion response. So this is where we actually call the model and all our stuff. So completion for our client completions. One thing we have to hear is it's client.chat.create completions. We'll actually call the completions and then do .create. Given this setup, we can create our model. In this case for LM Studio, we actually don't need a model parameter. This is just as a placeholder. So we can do local model because it is already calling the model that's running. And in this case, this is the model that I have loaded up here. Next is where we actually create our messages. So here I'll just have a standard message. I'll be like, you are a helpful assistant. And then this is the question we're asking. So in this case, it'll be, what is the purpose of life? And then temperature is essentially kind of, you can think of it as the randomness or kind of the creativity of the model. I'll keep it a standard 0.5. Yeah, and that's it for our response. So now let's actually print the response. So to do this, we will do print completion.choices, and we'll take the first one, so at the 0th index, and then .message.content. So this will give us the content of the message. And I'll save this as a normal test, llm.py. And you should be able to run this within your terminal. And let's check if our server is running. And as you can see here, it's generating the tokens real time, and we can see it generate its response to our question. And since this is running locally, it may take a bit longer because it is using your computer's RAM and CPU. So here I have a simpler query. I'll be asking, what is the capital of the United States to our local LLM? Let's send that request over, and we can actually see in real time the large language model will generate the tokens to answer the question, as we see here. And now once it's over, it will send it over, and then we'll use that JSON and parse it. And here we have the capital of the United States is Washington, D.C. There are also many other things we can do with LM Studio, including, in addition to the chat version, we can also use the AI assistant and also the vision. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.